my travel friends. It is Friday night in Waikiki, and you know what that means? Time for fireworks! It's going to be so much fun. So, this is the very first time I've ever brought Duke, Allie, and Bonzo to see fireworks. So, are you ready? So, every time something great happens, we are all going to squeal. Okay, all right, fireworks, we are ready for you.
It's Bonzo, ready for fireworks. Are you ready? Oh, I love the letter beep, 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 beep. Oh, look at that big bang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Bang. Bang. Big bang. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I love the fireworks, don't you? Pretty one. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. A big bang. That's beautiful fireworks. Oh, it's Ellie the cat. Oh, I love the fireworks. Oh, look at that one. My favorite color pink. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that one. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, look, oh, it's so lovely. Don't you love the fireworks? Oh, I love it. I love that beautiful one. Oh, Ellie, it's my turn. Oh, Duke wants to tell what he likes about the fireworks. Oh, I love that one. Oh, look at that big bang. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love this. Oh, thank you so much. Mahalo, my travel friends. Thanks for joining us for the fireworks every Friday night on Waikiki Beach. Oh, I like that one. Look at that one. Is that not beautiful? Oh, that was such a fun night being with you, my travel friends. Oh, you're so much fun. I really like you. You're so much fun to be with. Oh, it was so lovely to do the fireworks with you. Until the next time, Duke and my travel friends signing off.
Oh, my travel friends, hasn't this been fun? Watching the fireworks? Oh, I loved it. It's the very first time that Allie and Duke and Bonzo have ever seen fireworks. How about you? Have you seen them before? Oh, well, didn't we have fun? Oh, please come again and join us on our next adventure. As we say in Hawaii, mahalo, aloha, and goodbye. Signing off from my travel friends, up and away.